Hey, all right, this is Adam again at ACD, Auburn Cord Duesenberg Company. We got something new in the shop today, so I wanted to show you that. If you're an Auburn guy, you know, man, this is super special. This is the V12. Auburn, it's the Cabriolet. It's a 1934, so very few of these made. I'd throw out a number. There's several numbers I've heard floating around of how many there's supposed to be, but maybe that's probably the best way to find out how many there actually were, is if I put a number on it. I'm sure you guys will let me know what the actual number is, but if you happen to know how many of these were made like this, post it in the comments and we can communicate in there. But very rare, very few of them made. This is a very special car. It's a great car to have in the shop. Obviously it's in unrestored condition, but a very little rust. The body, I mean, we don't anticipate any rust. It's in great shape. And this is not an original front bumper. This is for back in its history when it was pushing outlaw sprint cars on the track, getting them started. That's what I think they installed that custom bumper there. And so otherwise it's a complete car. We have all the parts in boxes in different places. This is how we get them before we do restorations. We call these basket cases, but this is a very complete one. I want you guys to look at the engine, and it's really a complete car, all original engine. And so the first step, we're gonna, pull the engine out, be in the process of restoring the engine and the chassis, get a rolling chassis out of it, and begin this process. So we anticipate this car being in our shop for a while. I'm sure you guys will see a lot more of it. So again, this is a 1934 Auburn V12 Salon Cabriolet. So the Salons had the extra chrome. It was the fancier version of the Auburns, and in my understanding, the Salon is all they made, that Auburn made in 1934. There, again, aren't very many of them. They're super rare. It's a super special car. I'm hoping in the next 2-3 years you'll see this on the concourse somewhere, because this car really deserves to be done at the highest level, because it is that special of a car. So you guys will see more of this car in the coming years as we progress on it. The first step, we're going to get the engine rebuilt, restored, restore the chassis, have a good rolling chassis, which is a beautiful piece of art. If you've never seen one with the body off of it like that, it's pretty spectacular by itself. So that's going to be kind of our first step. And again, every project's a little different, and what the owner's needs are, what they want, and what their budget will allow, and just kind of what their desires are with each step of the process. So we'll begin that immediately. We'll begin inventorying the parts that are here, everything that we have, making sure that we have all the parts. We expect this to be a very complete car, and get started in that process. So look forward to working on it and keeping you guys updated as we go along with this very special Salon 1934.